Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. And welcome to today's lesson. Before starting, a good thought for today. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Never stop trying. Never give up. Never stop doing efforts just because you're doing anything wrong. They're increasing your experience. They are telling you what you are doing wrong. And if you keep trying, you will at some point in your life succeed. Never stop trying. Keep making mistakes. Keep learning. We are talking about input and output devices, and today is the last class of input devices. I'm your teacher, Mehbah Nasir, and today we are going to talk about the first device that we are going to talk about is scanner. Scanner is an input device that allows us to transfer text or images to the computer. It copies words, numbers, or images from a book or a sheet of paper to the computer's memory. Handheld scanners that you might have seen in grocery markets or stores, they enable you to move the scanner slowly over the page to that you want to scan. Remember, it is an input device that is allowing you to transfer text or images to the computer. The word that you want to uh, take care of here is this word transfer. Transfer means it is picking up those exact words and putting in the computer's memory. It is not typing text. If you are typing a text, then you are using a keyboard. The keyboard is used to type text or give instructions in typed form. Now we are giving input in the form of images, then that for that we will be using scanners. Next device that we are going to talk about is touchscreen. Touchscreen is a computer screen that responds to a touch on its surface. You just touch on different parts of the screen for pointing or clicking or double clicking. Remember, it's not a mouse. The cursor on the screen is also controlled by the mouse. The movement, all the functions that were performed by mouse can also be performed on the touch screen, you just using your finger or stylus, etc. that you have learned in the previous class. The screen is sensitive to pressure. The screen of the touch screen is made such that it senses even the slightest of pressure and opens whatever icon we are pointing to or we are touching or whatever we are giving the instructions. We interact with the computer by moving the cursor or selecting pictures or words on the screen. All this is now done just using your finger or a stylus if you are using it for your touchscreen pad. All the work are same as the mouse, but instead of that external mouse, this touchscreen is acting as your input device. As you can see that the same touchscreen is also acting as the output device because it is also showing the results of whatever you are inputting. So we say that the touch screens that are used commonly in laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and ATMs, they work as both input and output devices. We have touchscreen laptops, we have tablets and mobiles, we have ATMs, ATM machines. They act both as input and output devices because we give input by clicking, by touching on different icons and objects or words, and the output is also shown to us on the same screen. So the touchscreens are neither an input device nor an output device. In fact, it is a mixture of both, because we are giving instruction to the computer, which is input, using the same screen, and the computer is interacting with us, showing us the output on the same screen. So they are both input and output devices. So guys, today in our input and output devices, we talked about scanner and touch screen. In our tomorrow's lesson, we will be talking about output devices. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.